Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that actually 70% of US crypto holders started investing in crypto just last year in 2021, according to a report. Then the second news I would like to talk about is that Tesla launches Dogecoin payments for the Tesla shop. And we have the third news, which means that the hash rate is again all-time high, as Jack Dorsey confirms blocks mining system. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get these daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, simply you just have to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and I'm bringing them for you. And check out the links under this video, many useful ones when you would like to register to centralized exchanges, just like, Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and so on and so forth. Then you can find the link, and with that link, you get a nice discount. And also, there's a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Okay, let's look at the market. I started now use CoinGecko because I have some issues with coin market cap. When it comes to the last 24 hours and 7 days, then it's like showing all the cryptos. For some reason, I don't get it why. It wasn't that before. So Bitcoin is at 42,183 at the moment, which is, well, sideways, 0.8% up. Then we have Ethereum, 3,233, also about the same. When we're looking at the top gainers in the last 24 hours, we can see the secret, Dogecoin, and Fracshare went up the most, basically. And when we're looking at the losers, then we see Cadena going down 11%, Sushi 8%, and Gala down 8% as well. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart. And, we could experience yesterday kind of red candle here. And we went all the way up to 44. We were just about above 44,000. Everything looks fine. It looked like a nice U-shaped recovery, put it this way. But then, this started to move downwards. And, well, the reason could be obviously many. About the unemployment rate and job problems in the United States. The report came out that could also affect it, and also that we actually on the daily have witnessed the death cross. Let's show it to you. The death cross is the one when the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average is crossing each other, which means the shorter time frame, so the 51, it's crossing the 200 from above. And as you can see here, it actually just happened. And, well, it's not necessarily a bad thing. It's not in every case, when you look at history, the death cross is definitely bad, because actually, that cross is showing already a downwards trend. It must happen before, so the price should go down, that the 50-day moving average can come down to the 200-day moving average. And it's not a necessary. Many times the death cross could be actually good in a way that means that the prices are kind of low, which you can expect then a price increase. Well, when? Good question. But anyway, when Bitcoin is down, sooner or later, it is up. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And this is actually, I think, very interesting because we have here this topic. 70% of US crypto holders started investing actually just last year in the US. I know that many people feel sometimes that, oh man, I'm just late. Why I, wasn't here like, back in 2016 or earlier, 14, 13, you name it, because you wanted to buy cheaper Bitcoin. And shall I still invest? It's always a big question. And this report shows that basically more and more people, and a big chunk of people, just keep coming and coming. And according to the report, the 70% of US crypto holders just started investing last year. So basically 12 months before. And 46 of respondents reported having $1,000 or less in crypto. So they just basically touched it a little bit. But another 25% said that they held between 1,000 and 10,000 US dollars. So actually they made bigger bets. So the vast majority of cryptocurrency owners in the United States made the first ever crypto investment just in a year time, according to this survey, which was made by Crypto Perception Report in 2022. Well, basically, it was made in end of last year by Huobi Group. The company polled about 3,100 US adults, and this happened in mid-December last year. So the survey found that 68% of respondents got the first crypto exposure within a year. So this is about 70, right? While another 21 of those started investing in crypto up to 2 years, 12% responded made their first crypto investment within 4 years, and with 9 began investing in crypto more than 4 years ago. How small this percentage is to the present crypto market, what we have right now. The study also suggests that there is still a lot of skepticism around the crypto industry, with 42% of respondents feeling it was too risky to invest in crypto. 34 of interviewees were also concerned about the lack of market regulation, while 24% of respondents noted that they didn't have enough capital to invest in crypto. Well, however, as here they say, we still have a long way to go before mainstream adoption will happen. So even now, 70% just joined last year. We're still at the very, very early stage. Because as you know, they pointed out, regulations, they just not fixed. Sometimes you get news, yes, it's good, it's on its way. Then countries coming out, no, we ban Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, mining, or even cryptocurrency transactions. So many things happening here, and therefore it's a volatile market. It's a risky asset, but still, when you're looking at the big pictures, it looks like it's performing well. And if it will be huge, the way it's going right now, in a couple of years' time, then these would be the early investors. But obviously, not financial advice. You do your own thing. This is just the facts which I'm sharing here on this channel. Okay, next news. Tesla, it launches Dogecoin payment on Tesla in Tesla shop. So basically the merchandise things you can buy with Dogecoin right now. And let's talk about it. So if you remember, in last year, Elon Musk proudly announced that, yes, you can pay for your Tesla with your Bitcoin if you would like to. Then when it turned out that, it wasn't a surprise that the energy used by Bitcoin is just too big, then he said, well, yeah, we changed our mind. You cannot pay with Bitcoin for Tesla because, for us, the environment, everything is very, very important. Although now we have more than 50% renewable and green energy used for Bitcoin mining. Well, anyway, but now, Elon Musk is a huge fan of Dogecoin. And now Tesla has started accepting Dogecoin payments for company merchandise. However, the firm stated that they will not issue refunds for purchases made in Doge. So basically, if you pay with your cash, obviously you can get a refund if something is wrong with any of the merchandise project. What's that? Things what you buy there. But when you shop with Dogecoin, well, then that was it. you can't get it back in cash. So Doge eligible products in Tesla store can be purchased by sending Doge to Tesla Dogecoin wallet. Although it's now accept Doge, the firm also clarified that it's not taking any other crypto. Okay, so it's not like, okay, let's do it with all kind of crypto. Now it's Doge, and Elon Musk also said that according to him, even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is better suited for transactions. He stated that Doge is slightly inflationary, and this encourages people to spend it rather using it as a store of value. So people, when Doge goes up, then it's like, nicer to shop with it rather than maybe using their Bitcoins, which could be a great saving for the future, as you don't know what's happening with Doge. So yes, so now you can pay not for a Tesla, but in the merchandise store, again, with the cryptocurrency, this time with Doge. Right, and the third thing I would like to mention is that the hash rate, if you remember Kazakhstan and all these problems we had not long ago, hash rate dropped again, all-time highs. So yes, guess what? The hash rate, Bitcoin hash rate is back to new all-time highs, and it jumps as Jack Dorsey confirms blocks mining system. So Bitcoin hash rate hits new all-time high, as Jack Dorsey tweets that Blocks is officially building an open Bitcoin mining system. As you can see, look at this, bang. And if you just remember recently, 14% was a drop in hash rate when we had this problem in Kazakhstan. It's like more than 20% of Bitcoin mining happening in that country, and this was this internet shutdown in the in Kazakhstan. But yes, now everything looks like it's back. And here's the tweet. We want to make mining more distributed and efficient in every way, from buying to setup to maintenance to mining. We are interested because mining goes far beyond creating new Bitcoin. We see it as a long-term need for future that it's fully decentralized and permissionless. So that's why, and it's an open source thing. Ultimately, Block's mining solution may pave the way for more DIY miners to enter to the space. You never know, because those who couldn't really compete with right now, maybe with this system they can. So it seems the sky is the limit for the hash rate. So it can go up, at least until the next 2016 blocks, when the new difficulty is reset. It's roughly speaking every second week there is a new reset in difficulty, and now actually it's going up and up. So Bitcoin hash rate is back on track. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you would like to get these news every weekday, because I'm bringing them for you. The goal is to keep you up to date. And also, I wish you a great weekend. Don't forget, I'm back on Monday with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.